The Greeks wrote the first medical manual, which is why Hippocrates is known as the father of medicine. The next great medical figure in Greece after Hippocrates was Claudius Gallady, a Greek. Gallady discovered facts about the human body by dissecting animals one by one. Gallady was brave enough to dissect even an elephant. When Gallady dissected animals in this way, he saw blood inside them. Gallady said many things about the human body. According to his opinion, there are 4 types of fluids in the human body. 1. 600, phlegm. 2. Blood. 3. Black bile. 4. Yellow bile, and opinion. When these things are stirred up, people get sick. He also had a strange attitude about the journey. The heart warms the body. Blood is produced by digesting the food we eat. After the juices go to the liver, the juices turn into blood. That blood goes to the heart. In the lower chambers of the heart, blood flows from right to left. It was at a time when this view was taking root that William Harvey began to work as a doctor. One day he had a strange experience. He had the good fortune to dissect 2 dead bodies of 2 people. He had previously dissected rabbits, dogs, cats, and rats, but he had never dissected a corpse so clean. He thoroughly washed the blood vessels he had taken from the human body. He examined how water flowed through them. In some blood vessels, water flowed only in one direction. Why this? William Harvey examined them. Then he saw that they had valves. These valves were very strange. They opened in one direction. These valves carried blood towards the heart. That's how Howie first discovered how blood moved through veins. Not only that, but other vessels didn't have these valves. He saw how they carried blood away from the heart. Every time the heart beats, blood flows through these veins. That's the artery. The heartbeat and the movement of the heart are connected. William Harvey, who invented a clock, counted the number of times the heart beats and recorded it. It was 72 beats per minute. As he looked at it, his findings did not match the ideas of Gallant, the giant of medical science. William Harvey went to find his teacher. That was Fabricius. "Sir, I have cut open several hearts. In none of them does the left side of the heart mix with the right side. The blood that flows from the arteries then enters the veins. It's like a roundabout." But Bowita understood very well from some of her teacher's responses how many doctors were reluctant to accept William Harvey's ideas at that time. The blood that leaves the heart returns to the heart. It goes to the lungs. It comes back to the heart. That blood runs throughout the body again. The arteries and veins meet at some point. As Gallant says, is the heart a pump that leaks blood inside? Number. It's a pump made of flesh. I'm saying this because it's a lie. I've cut hearts and cut horses. William Bavier said this while opening his lecture at the Medical College of London in 1615. Some of the doctors who attended the lecture accepted his view. He's a doctor with a crazy head. How can you say that Claudius Gallady is wrong? There were many doctors who mocked William Harvey in this way, but William Harvey did not flinch. He continued to lecture at Cambridge Heath, England, and Bartholomew's Hospital in London. In the meantime, he began to compile his findings into a book.
1. The amount of blood pumped out of the heart per day is more than 1,500 gallons. 2. But the amount of blood in the human body is no more than 1.5 gallons. 3. The size of the heart is the size of the right hand. 4. The moon beats 72 times per minute. 5. 2 types of blood vessels connect to the heart. The valves in the veins bring blood into the heart. The other valves carry blood out of the heart. 6. The blood that leaves the heart returns to the heart. He included all this in his book for a reason. He had implemented experimental methods everywhere for a reason. That is why people still respect William Harvey today, not only for discovering the path of blood. Another thing that makes his greatness shine is the reason for that respect. That is the use of experimental methods in showing their power to the world. An image taken from William Bubba's book on the movement of the heart, an experiment showing how blood is pumped through veins. William Harvey was born on April 1, 1578, in Pakistan, England, the son of William's father, Thomas Harvey. There were 7 sons and 3 daughters. But they had no shortage of money because Thomas was a wealthy man. Later, Thomas became the mayor of the city of Karachi. But his son followed a different path. William Harvey did not want to accept the things written in old books as they were. He decided everything after testing and finding out whether it was right or wrong. Although some people did not agree with his opinions at that time, today all of William Harvey's